video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday. And boy, oh boy, we are midweek, and Bitcoin is at new all-time highs. Oh, yeah. Oh, hold on. Who says that?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Paulie D. Appreciate you, fam. Guys, we have so much going on. $94,700. Are we going to tap $95,000 today and perhaps on stream? Well, if you guys are ready for the Zest, the news, the education, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this stream out with friends. Say good morning to me as they say good morning to you. Also, check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show that make this thing possible, which is Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. And then head over to Gemini. Go where dollars won't. Trade $100 in crypto. Get 15 bucks in Bitcoin. We have a lot going on this morning. I want to check in with you guys first before anything. And then we shall get into the market recap. We have so much to talk about. Okay, let's see who's here. Also, my TikTokers, there is no TikTok today. For some reason, my Wi-Fi is a little iffy, and so my actual Wi-Fi is out, but the Ethernet, like the plug directly into my PC, that works. So I don't really know what the deal is with that, but hopefully my TikTokers find their way over here this morning. Who do we have in the stream? All right, we got Brian, Blocky, Mike Volmer, AC, Ben Spada, nice to see ya. We got JC, good morning to you, my friend. Who else we got? David Bowles is here. Moneybags, we got James, Gary, good morning. I was going to say you're on multiple platforms, but not today, my friend, not today. Shout out to Black Hat. We missed you, Black Hat. Black Hat's so amazing. I missed him so much when he wasn't in the Discord. We have Tommy 2 Liters, good morning. Joe Harvey's chilling. Ron is chilling. Andy S, nice to see ya. Who do we have? Alpt, Chipper. We have Auto, Cough, Cough, Yukio's on X, Theta, That Away. Nice to see you. We got Will in the chat, Canadian Miner, Aquarian is here. Auntie, good morning. Michael McDonald, Canada here. Have no fear. We have a lot of Canadians in the chat. Love the Canadians. Shout out to you guys. Maximilian, nice to see you. He said, comment for the algo. Well, thank you, my friend. Kev Bounce, Crimson, Dogecoin friend. You are all on X this morning. Nice to see you all. Jay, good morning. Morin is here. We have Anthony Peldino. Shout out to Wifey and Baby Peldino. Rocky B is here. Sola Hefe says 98K coming. I'm here for it. Right, Alvio? All right, let's see. Bliss, good morning. Said just in time. Well, I'm happy you're here. I'm happy you're here. We got Rocky B, Bitcoin BMW, Crypto Experiences by St. Jerome, Sweet Cipher, and I think I got everyone. I want to say I got everyone. But if I didn't, you can yell at me, and it's totally okay. But yeah, the Wi-Fi is struggling. So am I good? Is everything good? Let me see. Can I get a sound check? Baby, it's a sound check.
It's a sound check. Baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yourself?
I'm pretty sure everything's okay with this stream. I just don't know why, I don't know why my Wi-Fi's out, but this works. But you know what? I'm not going to question it because I am happy that this is on, so that way I can go live. So my Dag and Emma might be like in and out of the chat. Right, Bulldog Eric, good morning. Rocky said, I need some MTC on David's show. It's always fun. Oh, yeah, David doesn't want the smoke. But yeah, I would like to be on David's show. Ethernet is the best. We can see and hear you. Yes. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, because the Ethernet works, but the Wi-Fi doesn't. Nonetheless, guys, we have to get into the charts and the market recap because Bitcoin might hit $95,000 right now. Boy, oh boy. We got Cardano up 13.5%. XLM is almost 15% in the green. We got Crow that's still doing well. Leo's pumped. We got Aptos that's doing pretty well. Polygon, aka Matic, aka all the things that it's called, 5% in the green. Peanut retracing just a little bit. And we do have a peanut listing that we can talk about as well. Just remind me. We also have, okay. All right, we're going to get directly into Bitcoin because I don't want to miss this. Bitcoin's $94,800. Boy, oh boy, we are at new all-time highs right now. Price discovery mode Are we going to hit $95,000 on stream? It's very much possible. At this point, we're only a few $100 away. Again, 94.8 at the moment. We are 2.5% in the green. We had this selling pressure here at around 91.1, 91.2. And so we're kind of past that. We closed above it yesterday. So we are starting to make these higher lows between yesterday and today. Hopefully it remains that we do keep closing these higher lows. Now, 95K might be in the cards in the next few minutes. We're going to keep an eye out on it. Your bearish level to watch is where we previously had some selling pressure, which is around 76K. People are looking to retrace down to 75, but a major retrace would be down to, again, those highs that we discovered back in March, which was around that 73, what was it, 73,750 was the high with this little wick back here. That's what we're really looking at. We're going to keep an eye on Bitcoin, like I said, as we look at market Cipher. I just don't want to take my eyes off of it, as we do have some beautiful money flow this morning. The VWAP is looking to cross that zero line and go bullish. The red dot is still weighing down this momentum. Still, I'm very surprised that a green dot hasn't been printing and the momentum isn't higher, considering the fact that we are still pumping and making new highs. Over here, we do have market Cipher that is super bullish. Not market Cipher, RSI that is still bullish and very much overbought, but not as overbought as we were a few days ago. So I would just keep a watch on it. And again, if we retrace, that's not the worst thing in the world either. However, we are looking forward to $95,000 Bitcoin if it is willed. Right now, if you want the exact high, I do have it for you. The exact high is $94,849. So we were just about $150 away from $95,000. We'll watch. We'll keep an eye. We'll keep an eye. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Please smash these likes, subscribe, share it out with friends. Also, our subscriber goal is 17,500. We're 5 away. So pay attention. You got to pump it up. We're so close. We're so close, yet so far. We do have Ethereum this morning that we're going to talk about as well. Ethereum is $3,112 right now, 0.03% in the green, so ever so slightly in the green after closing a red day yesterday. We are down 4% for the week on Ethereum, though what we want to find support at is right here at this $3,000 level, because below that is the 200-day SMA at 29.57, and we do not want to go below that 200-day SMA and target that 27.70 again, because darn it, I don't want to speak about it. But bullish level to watch here is your 32.30. Even more bullish is up here, which is your 35.60. That's really what we're looking for. I want that 35.60 kind of just pop out of this lower $3,000 range. That's really what we're looking for. And even more bullish outlook is to get into that golden zone for Ethereum, which is around 39.60. Ideally, that's what we're looking for here. And my friends, oh my gosh, Thomas Crown is in the chat. Litecoin Queen, LFG 95 loading. Oh yeah, I'm waiting. Shout out to Papa Tom, aka Litecoin Kang. He called me Litecoin Queen. He's my Litecoin Kang. Shout out to you, my friends. I have a lot of love for Papa Tom. Aww. Shout out to Papa Tom. Tom, are we going to hit 95K right now? We better. Are we going to hit 95K on stream? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or a no emoji. Let me know your thoughts, my friends. Please smash the likes and share as we have this beautiful price action. Beautiful in every single way. Although the momentum is weighing us down, my friends, on Ethereum after that red dot was printed, and the money flow is starting to tip down just a little bit, that VWAP as well, as it is bearish at the moment. Looking over here at the RSI, it is mid-bull, but it shows that we're not even close to overbought. I view this as a good thing because it shows we have some nice room to run for Ethereum price action. Litecoin, $86.89. 0.13% in the green. So what we want to keep closing above and have the support at is 85, 84 bucks. Looking at the bullish scenario of 91 to 97. And if we could just blow past 97, I want to hit $100 Litecoin. I think that would be great. Majorly psychological and might cue in some FOMO. Bear scenario, though, is 76 bucks. Money flow is tipping down just a little bit with Litecoin, though it is still pretty nice. VWAP is down as well, and the momentum is still bullish, but pulled down by that red dot that was just printed a few days ago. We also have the RSI that is not overbought. It's about mid-bull. So I think this is pretty good, again, showing that we have a lot of room to run for Litecoin price action in the bullish direction. So Litecoin is looking good. Let's hold above 85 bucks. That is the hope. And if you look at all the action, Dogecoin and XRP trading volumes actually flipping Bitcoin's trading volume in South Korea, as South Korea is pushing some crypto taxes, which I'm going to get into in just a moment. But this is an interesting fact that I saw this morning. That trading volume in XRP and Dogecoin is much higher than that of Bitcoin in South Korean exchanges this week. And CoinGecko shows that XRP and Doge have cumulatively accounted for as much as 30% of trading volumes in Upbit, the country's biggest exchange in South Korea, nearly 20% on BitThumb in 24 hours. That is unusually higher than the leader Bitcoin and indicates a short-term demand for the tokens in the country. Looking at Dogecoin price action, we do have 39-cent Dogecoin. Yesterday, we had a high of around 41, 42 cents. We want to keep holding 40-cent Dogecoin, create that support down here at 34 cents. We have some nice money flow that's still increasing, still looking good, although the VWAP is flat and slightly bearish, and the momentum is being weighed down. We are still overbought, though. Could indicate an incoming downtrend of some sort, but we're going to hope, again, that downtrend doesn't take us too far down, because we want to hold that 34 cents. XRP is $1.13, surprisingly holding this $1 mark. I guess all the bulls are really trying to hold that psychological level. As you can see, the volume profile is pretty high. Your bullish level and where you see that selling pressure is $1.15 right now. That's really what you got to watch. And this dates back to quite a bit ago in 2021. Back here, if you stretch it even farther out, looking back here in about 2018, where XRP was really in its heyday. Though you're going to look at the bullish scenario, if we pass that $1.15, you want to look at that $1.38, $1.39. Your bear scenario is looking at that 80 cents, 81 cents. We're up 3% with XRP today. Bullish money flow, looking good. VWAP is still bearish, though, and the momentum's pretty high. Though we have that red dot printed. Doesn't seem to affect XRP too much, though. We're majorly overbought on this RSI. Some of the highest levels we've seen since November of last year, looking at July of last year, and even farther back, you could look at 2017 and 2020. So XRP is looking like it's in its bull market zest. And maybe it's just getting started. We shall see. We shall see. Alrighties. Looking at South Korea, though, because we just brought it up as the trading volume is immense for Dogecoin and XRP over there. They're pushing a 20% crypto tax in 2025 with a higher exemption limit, according to reports. South Korea's ruling political party intended to push ahead with the plan to tax crypto gains from the beginning of 2025 instead of approving a further delay. Originally, a 20% taxation, 22% with local tax on crypto gains, was scheduled to take effect on January 1st of 2022. That was pushed back twice to January of 2025 due to heavy backlash from investors and industry experts. While there were discussions and proposals of a further delay, with one suggesting a start in 2028, the Democratic Party of Korea, the DPK, is committed to implementing the tax plan on schedule. However, the party is making an amendment to the plan by raising the tax deductible limit from crypto gains of under 2.5 million Korean won, about $1,800 US, to $35,000 US. I mean, that's still a lot. Still a lot of taxes. I don't know. I think crypto taxes shouldn't really be a thing because it's currency. Especially, like, I guess it depends on what you're trading. But if it's like a tokenized stock or something, I understand to a degree. But over 20% on your taxes, like for crypto, that is ridiculous. That is nasty. That is absolutely nasty. I mean, the taxes in the U.S. aren't good either. I just feel as though the U.S. has to step up and make an example and say, hey, you know what? We're not going to do all this crazy stuff. Throw out crypto taxes, say goodbye, and then maybe other countries would follow suit. We're going to talk about Donnie T, though, in a little bit, but we do have some other breaking news before we get there. The Bitcoin ETF options are going well, and so it marks a milestone according to most people, especially because BlackRock was the first spot ETF to launch with options. Not surprising that BlackRock was the first to do it, but here we go. Another Bitcoin-linked product, another success story. This time, it's options tied to BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, which went live on NASDAQ Tuesday, giving them a one-day head start over some competitors, which begin trading later on Wednesday. Not surprising, again, that BlackRock gets the lead. I feel like Grayscale should get more glory, especially because they're the only reason why we have Bitcoin ETFs. But I'll digress. IBIT, which has a market cap of $44 billion, saw over $2 billion in options trading in notional value. The ETF itself traded over $4 billion in volume, surpassed only by SPDR S&P 500, ETF Trust, the SPY, Invesco QQQ Trust Series 1, and the iShares Russell 2000 ETF, the IWM, which all have much higher market caps. And the senior ETF analyst, Eric, hailed to the success of the day one performance of the options. However, it wasn't challenged and didn't challenge the top ETFs yet, but he expects that to come in the next few days or weeks. We could actually take a look at IBIT and see how it's doing. Let's look at IBIT. The iShares Bitcoin Trust. Let's see. Trading view. Okay, I see you, Trading View. I see you, Trading View. All right, take a gander, my friends, as we are in price discovery mode here at $53.95, up 2.39%. So we kind of created the support, had a little bit of selling pressure at this level at $42, created some support there, have been up ever since, up 39% in the past month, 93% in the past existence that it's had, which is since essentially January. In January, we started all the way over here at around, what was this, 26, 27? But looking pretty good over here. Looking pretty good with IBIT. And I know a lot of people have been trading ETFs, especially Dan the Chartman made a good point that people might go to the ETFs over actual crypto only for the fact of trading and that you could get cheaper, that you could get some cheaper fees. We're going to keep talking ETFs, though, because the ETF options, again, like I said, attracted $2 billion in one day. It's not surprising because I do think that a lot of people in TradFi are bullish, and people are saying this is unheard of. And so we see over here, hold on, there was one thing I wanted to point out, but I can't find it. Oh, darn. But I guess what we said remains. IBIT, $2 billion was the first one. I wonder which ones are going to go live today, though. I don't have an exact list on that. Nonetheless, IBIT is doing great. And also, we have Gemini news. Gemini. Shout out to Gemini. Go where dollars won't, my friends. Especially if you're in France, then this is some good news for you. Oui. Gemini posted, my friends, that their proactive engagement with and support of the crypto sector has fostered the development of a crypto hub, making it a key market for us. After registering as a virtual asset service provider there earlier this year, we are proud to be launching in France today. Users in France can now open a Gemini account to deposit, trade, and store more than 70 digital assets using the web or app. Additionally, they can add funds using local payment rails, including the Euro, GPP, the pound, through debit card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay. This move is part of our continued dedication to the European market in a country that features a thriving Web3 and crypto ecosystem. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Gemini making all the moves. Gemini making all the moves. And I even commented, Gemini making those local moves. Let's get it. We love that. We love that. So look at Gemini, especially if you're in France or really anywhere where they're available. Beautiful, beautiful. Bullish on Gemini. Also, there was a listing, a batch listing, Goat, Peanut, Mew, and some others right here. Look at these logos. I love how they made these. I think their graphics are great. So Gemini, I would say, is the exchange of the people, being that they're really the ones that spearhead all of the beautiful listings that are there. However, go where dollars won't. I'm going to say it again. Please go to Gemini. Use my linky, because if you do, you could trade $100 in crypto and get 15 bucks in Bitcoin. I mean, come on, man. How could you deny? How could you deny all of that love and zest from Gemini? Thank you, Black Hat, for the link in the live chat. Thank you, thank you. Look at this page. How could you not want to sign up using this link? All right. Looking good, looking good. So, we're going to keep going to on MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is killing the game. MicroStrategy is just losing noodles out here. Losing noodles. And shout out to Michael Saylor that said that they were going to convert $1.75 billion of those convertible senior notes. Oh boy, that's changing. No, he's not making it lower. There's actually going to be more. This is the latest. Michael Saylor tweeted just about an hour ago, given high demand, we upsized our MicroStrategy offering of 0% convertible bonds due 2029 from $1.75 billion to $2.6 billion, including a $400 million green shoe option and pricing at a 55% conversion premium. That means they're going to allocate billion. Sorry, too small. Apologies, Saylor. $2.6 billion more to buy more Bitcoin. This is not surprising. Saylor is making all of them moves out here because he knows that there is high demand, as he stated, and the FOMO is going to start kicking in. I'm telling you right now, the supply shock with Bitcoin is going to be so real. People are not ready for it. Beware. There's only around 2 million Bitcoin tied to centralized exchanges right now. These exchanges will run out of Bitcoin. It is inevitable, especially as we approach that $100,000 mark. Nobody is ready. Then what's next? People aren't going to go to Ethereum because those holdings on exchanges are at a 6 to 8 year low. We then have the fact that it's too expensive and the gas fees get too crazy when people are actually using the network. Same with Bitcoin as well. And then what's next? Litecoin. Litecoin. It's the right coin. So $2.6 billion will be thrown towards Bitcoin for MicroStrategy, as they already accumulated $4.6 billion the other day of Bitcoin. And they broke into MicroStrategy the top 100 U.S. public companies by market cap. Take a look. Self-described Bitcoin development company MicroStrategy just breached into the top 100 U.S. publicly traded companies, currently sitting in 97th place. They jumped 29 places on Tuesday's performance, which saw a 12% price surge through $400 a share, as Bitcoin is breaking through that 94K mark. Let's get some MicroStrategy stock up here. MicroStrategy. So ridiculous what's going on with MicroStrategy. I can't even believe it. If you take a look at MicroStrategy and the price action, it's up 829% in the past year. Are you kidding me? People say you can't really make gains in the stock market. Well, not when it comes to MicroStrategy. You're making those gains. Take a look at MicroStrategy, my friends. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We found support here at that 197, past 200, a psychological level. Also past 300 psychological, had support at around 327, and to the moon we go. To the moon we go. We hit a high of around $489, so we're rapidly approaching a $500 MicroStrategy. Let's actually set an alarm for that. MicroStrategy, 499.99. Yeah, I want to get an alert. I want to know when MicroStrategy hits 500 bucks. We do have a green dot printing on the momentum for MicroStrategy. All of this money flow is ever increasing, and the VWAP is pumping. Pumping. Oh, I'm not even showing it to you. Pumping. The RSI, overbought. Very overbought, but not the most it's ever been. The most overbought it's ever been. Maybe it might be back here in 2020. I believe that's the case. I believe that's the case. So it's not the most overbought it's ever been, though you should be careful. Be careful. 568% year to date. Oh, that is insane.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Man. So MicroStrategy buying billions upon billions of dollars of Bitcoin, currently holding over 330,000 Bitcoin, around 331,200 Bitcoin, makes their stash worth over $30 billion. That is cha-ching. Cha-ching. MicroStrategy's absolutely mooning. Are you guys bullish on Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. I feel like we should have a Saylor emoji on this channel. We talk about him so much. Tyler, good morning. Jay wants some Digibyte. I was trying to save some chartery requests for the end of the show, my friend, but I guess we could jump into Digibyte really quick. All right, hold on. Digibyte is well over that penny mark. Not well over the penny mark, but the penny mark. And it did hit about a penny and a quarter, 0.013 cents. Take a look at this. Digibyte surging 35% from the lows of today to the highs, a total of around 50%, 49%. Oh my word.
Oh my God.
I love Digibyte with my whole heart. I'll tell you that right now. The selling pressure was really there at 0.009, and we were looking at that penny mark because it's majorly psychological. We did hit the penny, went right past it. And so the selling pressure is really here at that penny and a quarter. That's what we're looking at. Though we did have that high, as I stated, 0.013, looking really good. You want to close the day or aim to close the day above a penny or at a penny and a quarter. Even more bullish, we're looking at this about penny and a half, 0.0147. Really bullish, really excited. So shout out to Digibyte. Shout out to Digibyte. I need Digibyte emojis in the chat. Rain those Digibyte emojis. We need to see membershippery. We need to see likes. Smash these darn likes, please. Smash these darn likes. But yeah, this is a mega pump for Digibyte. I feel as though it was inevitable. We have some nice green money flow. VWAP is bullish. Green dot printing on the momentum. And the RSI is overbought. And we really haven't seen this level of zest since back here in February. And again, back in February. And even like from February essentially to April when Bitcoin was targeting those new highs as well. The first targeting the 70K range, we were seeing about 2-cent Digibyte. We had a high of around 2.25-cent Digibyte. I hope we get there. I think Digibyte, like I said, is so inevitable. We need a proof of work coin that is going to be able to give us basically no fees, have a fast block times, and all those beautiful things. I think Digibyte block times are 15 seconds. Digibyte block time. I believe it's 15 seconds. Yes, see, I know what I'm talking about. Digibyte block time is 15 seconds. And again, it's an OG coin. It was launched in 2014. What's the anniversary of Digibyte? Digibyte launch date. January of 2024. January 10th. Ooh, so we're going to be celebrating an anniversary soon for Digibyte. Word, that's awesome. Shout out to Digibyte. Oh my gosh. Almost 11 years old. Wow. Good on Digibyte, man. Good on Digibyte. Such an OG coin. Shout out to Jared Tate. Jared Tate, the creator of Digibyte, has been on the show before, and I would highly encourage you guys to go and watch that episode as well because he is so smart, and I love his story. I love the whole creation of Digibyte, and I was just honored to be able to have that interview with him. Also honored to have that interview back then. Oh, shoot.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Josh V!
94K Bitcoin sure does add a little pep to my step. Your hair looks amazing.
Well, darn, Josh V. Josh V, I missed you. Josh V, where have you been? I know you're on Instagram. I know. You're going to say, I'm on Instagram. I know you're on Instagram, but I wish you were here too, Josh V. I missed you. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for joining us. And thank you for giving some love to the hair. I'm happy you guys like the hair. I feel so much better that I cut it. I feel like it's a lot more together, and just lifted. I feel like it's just lifted. I just love the way it feels. So thank you, Josh. You're a legend. Much love to you. Please smash the likes, subscribe.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Man, Digibyte is mooning. Oh my gosh, we have so much news. I don't even know where to look. I don't even know how to feel right now. I don't. We're going to talk about the United States, my friends. Hexologist, has been a while. Nice to see ya. Welcome, my friend. All right, where's Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin is sitting at 94.4. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at so y'all don't think I'm crazy. We're going to look at the hourly really quick before we move forward. I just want to see where we're at. Seems like this hour we're taking a little bit of a dip, though we don't have a red dot printed. We do not have a red dot printed. VWAP is not below that zero line yet. Where's the RSI? RSI is slightly overbought, pulling back, which isn't the worst thing. I don't know. Maybe this is pullback hour, or maybe we're gonna turn around soon. Let's look at lower time frames. Let's look at 15 minutes. 15-minute charter. We did have a red dot printed where right here makes sense, pulled back. So hopefully the VWAP turns around on the 15-minute. Seems like the money flow is starting to pick up again on the 15-minute chart. Where's the RSI? Pulled back from that overbought. So yeah, maybe it has some room to run now. We'll watch the 15-minute chart. Maybe that'll give us more pep in our step, right? We're at 95.5, looking really good. Yay. Oh, Digi, nice to see you, Digi. What's the vibe? The vibe is pimp. Right, Michael Cartwright. Johnny, good morning. Crypto Farmers here. Rob C. Saul. Saul, I'm sorry about TikTok, my friends. I'm sorry about TikTok. My Wi-Fi's out. The Wi-Fi went kaplu. So apologies. David Lee, does anyone here mine Digibyte? I know some people here do. I wish I was mining Digibyte right now. I wish I was mining Digibyte. I wish I was mining Litecoin and Doge. I wish I had the room for that. I'm so sad that I've been living in apartments for the past, I don't even know how long that I've known about Bitcoin. And what are we doing out here? What was I doing out here? I should have been mining. I should have figured this. I should have figured it out. But it's okay. It is what it is. Everything happens for a reason. Looking at this country in the future of the United States, and then we're going to jump into some other countries' drama. Donnie T is considering a crypto lawyer, Teresa Guilin, I think, or Guilin, I believe is how you pronounce her last name, to lead the SEC. This is a former SEC attorney who now is representing blockchain companies. Is this bullish? Is this bearish? Is she going to do us right in the crypto industry? Take a look. And this is not someone I've heard of before, previous to learning about her within the last day. So this lady, Teresa, is a veteran of the SEC and among the candidates which Donnie T is considering to lead the agency, according to people familiar with the situation. She's a partner at a law firm, Baker Hostetler. I'm sorry, I totally butchered that. And is a co-league of blockchain practices there. The crypto companies are privately advocating for her to head the regulator based on her experience serving the SEC and opposing the agency on behalf of blockchain companies and trad Wall Street firms. According to the co-founder of Masa, a token-powered decentralized data provider for AI companies, Brendan Playford, he said, quote, "She is the best candidate of all the people that are currently being opined on." So I maybe would agree with that. As she played both sides and she knows how the SEC works, knows how the laws work, I think that's pretty bullish. And if she's very pro-crypto, as she is a blockchain lawyer, it might give her that kind of clear path of what's right, what's wrong within the industry. However, I know they're like, oh, you know, she might understand the laws, but like there are no laws regarding cryptocurrency. There barely is any sort of legislation. So how in the world is anyone really going to fix this? I don't know. And how can you really regulate cryptocurrency when it doesn't fit really under commodities? It doesn't really fit under securities either. So this is a little bit odd to me. It's a little bit odd to me on how they would handle it going forward with the SEC, being that I don't really think most of crypto is a security. And you can even refer to Gary Gensler on that one.
Hucksters.
Hey, Gary, don't get loud. Look back at Gary Gensler at MIT. He was saying about 3/4 of the crypto market are commodities and not securities. Can I find that clip? Let's look at, let's find MIT. I want to find that clip of Gary. That would actually be useful. No, that doesn't work for me. Gary Gensler. Commodity. Yeah. I'll find it another time. But yeah, Gary Gensler, when he was teaching at MIT, he was like, oh, most of it are not securities. It 3/4 is a commodity. Maybe they'll stick to that. But then is the CFTC, the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, is that really the answer either? I just really don't know if either of them would really protect the space the way they're supposed to be protected. Though, would it help as someone pro-crypto could enter that space and take over and be like, oh, I'm not going to come after the crypto industry for no reason anymore? That would be nice. That would be nice. But that is a rumor as to who could take over the SEC. So it's a little bit of an update there. As regarding Howard Lutnick, where people were thinking that he was going to be the Treasury Secretary, apparently he is Donnie T's pick for the Commerce Chief. So take a look at what's going on here. This is a little bit of a plot twist, as I also thought from what Howard Lutnick himself said that he was going to be a part of DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency. I feel like things are taking a little bit of a turn. A little bit of a turn. We see that Donnie T wants the Cantor Fitzgerald CEO Howard Lutnick, a vocal cryptocurrency enthusiast who has been Tether's Wall Street banker for years, to serve as his Commerce Secretary, not the Treasury Secretary. He was one of the many vying for the powerful Treasury Secretary role, but reports over the past few days suggest that his stock has fallen in Donnie T's eyes. The announcement from yesterday that he would be nominated for the Commerce role instead supports that despite his role as part of Donnie T's transition team. Punchbowl News and the Wall Street Journal first reported his new designated position earlier on Tuesday. We see that Donnie T said in his statement he will lead our tariff and trade agenda with additional direct responsibility for the Office of the United States Trade Representative. This is not surprising. He also told CNBC earlier in the year that he's a fan of crypto, but let me be very specific. Bitcoin, just Bitcoin. These other coins, they are just not a thing. And of course, he's obviously a fan of Tether, where he is their Wall Street banker. He said that Bitcoin should be a commodity, that it should face less regulation and less scrutiny than all these other things that go on in the crypto space. I disagree with him on the fact that it's not just Bitcoin, my friend Howard, Sir Lutnick. It's not just Bitcoin. Crypto is beautiful, and that would include ETH, that would include Litecoin, that would include Digibyte, that would include many other things that I do not deem to be an issue, especially because there are decentralized ecosystems that do not have a CEO, that don't have centralization. So then how can you come after them, especially if they're currencies and property? It's just not the same. It's just not the same. I don't know. I just really get frustrated sometimes when they try to put crypto into this one little box. Oh, it's a security. Oh, it's this. Oh, it's that. No, crypto is its own thing. All these securities laws were written literally almost 100 years ago. And we're going to, it's so ridiculous. You're going to look at 100-year rule and all these sets of legislation for a new technology that people couldn't even conceive to be a thing 100 years ago. It's just laughable. It's laughable.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists.
I know.
Ponzi
Gary,
schemes.
listen, calm down. When are you resigning? When are you resigning? You're so loud, Gary. You're so loud. Guys, I would actually like your opinion on that. When do you think Gary Gensler is resigning? Do you think that we are going to see Gary Gensler resign before the inauguration? Put a fire emoji. If you think after the inauguration and he's going to wait till he gets fired, put a Gary emoji. So fire emoji for before inauguration, Gary emoji for after inauguration. The inauguration, I believe, is January 20th. I could go double check myself on that one too. Trump's inauguration. I think it's January 20th. I'm pretty sure. Yep, January 20th. Okay. Sorry, I like to make sure I'm correct when I say things. As soon as he goes, Bitcoin will hit $100,000. I think if he stepped down right now, Bitcoin would definitely take a nice jump. Definitely take a nice jump. We're seeing on the 15-minute chart that Bitcoin's starting to pick up and trying to get past the selling pressure here at this 94.7, 94.8. If we could keep going, my friends, we might. Oh, 94.8. Ooh. Yeah, 94.8 has all the issues right now. If we could get past 94.8 and close above this on the 15-minute candle, that might be a little bit bullish, my friends. It might be a little bit bullish. How does the hourly look? The hourly's green. Oh, now red, now green. Now green. Okay. Listen, the hourly starts to turn around, my friends. It's starting to turn around. The hourly chart looking good. Oh boy. Yeah, we might see 95K soon. Oh boy. Okay, Bitcoin. I see you out here. Let's go to the 5-minute. We're degenning, my friends. Yeah, if we could close this 5-minute candle above 94.8, I think we're pretty solid, my friends. We have a greens out printed on the momentum, VWAP's pumped. Yeah, we got to get it. Ooh, 94.820. Ooh, Bitcoin pump. Oh, darn. I'm so excited for Bitcoin. I'm so excited for Bitcoin. Shout out to the Piper Academy. Frat Mama's here for you.
Love you, girl. Happy Thanksgiving. Hashtag FIP. Cookie.
Billy, Uncle Billy. Thank you for coming, my friend. Thank you so much. I have so much love for you, too. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Givers gain, all those things. Hashtag givers gain. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for stopping by today. It means a lot. Shout out to Uncle Billy. Guys, give some love to him. Give some heart emojis for Billy in the chat. And sorry if you guys hear some rumbling in the background. There's like a major plane taking off or something. Or landing. Shout out to Papa Tom. He said LFG Lil Mama. Well, LFG Uncle Billy. Shout out to Papa Tom in the chat. Guys, put some Litecoin emojis. He's the Litecoin Kang. He said, I'm Litecoin Quang. So that's how we're operating right now. I love my Papa Tom. And I have so much love for my Uncle Billy's and everybody in this chat. Thank you guys so much. And again, shout out to my Piper Academy. Frat Mama's here for you. Arby Piper, OC, my trade fly. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Please, my friends, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends. We have 98 likes, 120 viewers. We also, my friends, have a goal of one more subscriber for 17.5. Come on, my friend. Pamp the subscribery. Pamp it. Pamp it. One more subscriber. I see you out there. I see you. Hey. Hey. Talking to you. The person that hasn't subscribed. I know you're here. I know you're watching. I know you feel all the zest in the world. Are you going to hit that subscribe? I think you should. I think it would just be beneficial. Smash that like. Subscribe. Share. Yay! CF was streaming late last night. CF is a beast, man. Shout out to Crypto Face. It's not what you know, it's who you know. I would agree with that. That's very true in a lot of cases. One more subscriber. Oh my gosh, we did it. I see you did it, Fred. I knew you were watching. I knew you were there.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Adam D said, it's me. Oh my gosh. Well, hello, Adam. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Bitcoin, man, trying to target. Oh, woo. Oh my gosh. 822. 822. Oh my gosh. I'm clicking all the wrong buttons. I'm overwhelmed. Oh my gosh. $94,820. Guys, we got to get above this wick right here. This high, this new high, 94,896. Pamp Bitcoin, go. 832. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. 5-minute chart is looking good, my friends. We're going to look at the 15-minute chart again, see how she's going. Green dot printed, that's bullish. That's bullish. See, if we could just close this 15-minute candle above this wick high. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. All right, hourly. Hourly is looking good. Hourly is looking good. Okay, all right. Oh, 855. All right, looking good. I am so bullish. I don't know why. I'm not looking at the weekly. I didn't want this. All right, minute chart. We have a green dot printed. We just need these higher lows to keep clocking in on the 1 minute. Oh boy. Woo! All right. We're going to keep watching. All right, we gotta talk about, oh boy. We gotta keep talking about stuff. But Bitcoin looks so beautiful. Bitcoin looks so great. Let's talk about El Salvador, my friends. They're getting its first tokenized U.S. Treasuries offering. This is not surprising, right? MAASX sauce. Nice to see you. B team is here. You know it's so funny. Andy, yes, nice to see you. All right, guys. Look at El Salvador making moves. All right. First U.S. Treasuries offering. NextBridge Digital Financial Solutions, SA-CV, a digital asset issuer based in El Salvador that recently won digital asset service license from the local regulators, has teamed up with Bitfinex Securities to offer the first regulated tokenized T-bill offering in the country. Opening for business on Tuesday, the new offering aims to give access to T-bill investments for individuals and organizations who were previously unable to invest in these products, the company said. The product's goal is to raise at least $30 million of deposits, Bitfinex Securities said in a press release. Not surprising, but we're going to see a subscription period. The following subscription period, the tokens will trade on Bitfinex Securities' secondary market under the ticker USTBL. The token's value is backed by BlackRock's short-term Treasury bond ETF. And so this is not surprising, as we are going to see a lot more tokenization. Wow. Wow. There's a quick quote I want to read. I'm just watching Bitcoin price. I'm sorry. Quote from Jesse Knutson, the head of operation at Bitfinex Securities, said the inclusion of USTBL tokens in investment portfolios will enable investors to balance digital asset exposure with the stability of TradFi, offering a new level of diversification that can help reduce overall portfolio risk. And that is Treasury Riz. That is Treasury Bond Riz. So, wow, that is ridiculous. Shout out to El Salvador making so many moves. So many moves. Bitcoin is $94,900. Oh, boy.
Oh, my God.
Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Bitcoin, go. Bitcoin, go. Guys, I need to see rocket emojis. Right now, there's so many of you in this chat. Do I not see rocket emojis? Adam, do I hear some Philly in that accent? No Philly. Brooklyn, my friend. Brooklyn. Oh boy, 920. 94,920. Bitcoin go. Come on, close in the green. Close this minute in the green. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh boy. Guys, do you think we're going to hit $95,000 right now? Oh boy. Oh boy. I am so shook. I am so shook right now. I need to see rocket emojis. My dad needs membership, or why doesn't he have the right rocket emojis in the chat? I'm emotional. I'm emotional. I'm emotional. Guys, wow. Okay, so we closed that minute in the green. Hopefully that continues. This red dot on market cipher needs to disappear. Why is Bitcoin dumping? Don't do this. The bulls need to buy this right back up. If this gets bought up really quick, that's bullish. Oh, boy. Did the price action freeze? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, boy. And we're dumping. And we're dumping. Oh, boy. I think we're going to be okay, though. Something tells me we're going to be okay. We have 15-minute chart that's looking still good with a green dot freshly printed. So that's giving me hope there. It's giving me hope, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Stu!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's Stu!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Randy, congrats. Spreading the new financial system to the normies. I see you working hard. Well done. Heart. Thumbs up.
Freaking Stu.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Stu. Shout out to Stu. Shout out to Stu. Oh, we have Richard. Richard on Cash App sending me $2 in Bitcoin. He said to get a Lightning address. I think isn't Cash App technically Lightning Network? Hold on. I think I have a Lightning address somewhere. I think it's It's on. Hold on, because I don't have Wi-Fi right now, so I can't check all my other devices right now. Hold on. I'm gonna find the Lightning address. I do have one. Give me a second. But dude, this is ridiculous. Bitcoin is getting bought back up pretty quick, though. It's getting bought back up pretty quick. All right, hold on. Connect to this. All right, 94.8. We're still doing pretty good. Oh boy, I'm so excited. Where's my Lightning address? I don't remember what it was exactly, but that's why I'm going to find it right now. Because I used to use that wallet of Satoshi, and wallet of Satoshi was actually fire. But I think they took it off with the, if you didn't have it, hold on, receive. Wow, hold up, that's wild. Yeah, they took it off the US. See, that's why I also drained it. Damn. Okay. I will get a different Lightning address. I'm pretty sure I have a different one. I feel like Cake Wallet should have Lightning. I feel like that would be so zesty too. But I will get a Lightning address at one point. You can have my Wi-Fi passcode. Hold on. I think I have a Lightning address somewhere. My last transaction with this wallet address, I'm dead, was years ago. And it says I need an invoice, so I have to do a whole invoice. That's crazy, man. That's a lot of work. I'll figure it out. But right now I do have Cash App, which you reached me at. So thank you, Richard. I appreciate it. I appreciate your love. Also, I appreciate that person that also sent me MicroStrategy stock too. And it was perfect timing. Shout out to Richard. I'm giving you a little heart on Cash App right now. Sent me MicroStrategy stock in October 29th, so about a month ago. So shout out to my friend that shot over some MicroStrategy stock. It was the perfect time to do so. When is Emma's birthday? Emma's birthday is December 14th, so under a month away. Emma's gonna turn 19 because she's getting old and stuff. So shout out to Emma's birthday. Also shout out to Richard. Thank you so much. Yay! Turn it up. So excited. Boy, oh boy. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Oh, 960. Bitcoin go. Oh, I'm getting so lit right now. This is crazy. And we just dumped. Why is she doing that? Bitcoin, why are you messing around? We just hit 94,987. We just hit a new high and it's dumping. Like, no. Wow, Bitcoin. What are you doing right now? Why are you playing with my emotions?
Oh my God. Bruh.
That is so wild. That is so wild. I'm sorry I'm pressing all the buttons right now. I'm just like watching Bitcoin deceive my eyeballs. Like, it just almost hit $95,000 and then it dumped 300 plus bucks. No, I refuse. But it seems like maybe the bulls will buy it right back up. If it gets bought back up, especially this much of a drop, that's bullish. How can I even focus on anything else? How do I continue with news? I can't do that. It's not happening. Even though we're almost done. Even though we almost done. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, Anthony Paldino just sent $25 of Bitcoin to my Cash App. Guys, we're stacking sats today. We're stacking them sats. Anthony Paldino, you beautiful man. Shout out to wifey and baby Paldino. Darn, man, darn. Yay! We're stacking sats this morning. We're stacking sats as Bitcoin is making us go insane. Why is Bitcoin driving us crazy? It's like you could tell that when it pulls back and the bears try to dump and like take profits or whatever, that the bulls are coming right back. This is exhausting. Like if you're going off with leverage right now and you're trying to like scalp, that is stressful. That's why I advise a lot of caution. If you guys are trading, especially with leverage, watch your behind. This is this is volatile. This is darn volatile. Wow. Holy wow. Shout out to Anthony Palladino. What a legend in the chat. What a legend. Uber says, who in here kind of likes Bitcoin? I think we all like it. The collapse says, dump it, LOL. Listen, if people are looking to grab a quick dip, then yeah, man. Then yeah. That $100,000 will be hard to bump. I do think 100K could happen. I mean, I believe that the God candle has not happened yet. The Bitcoin God candle has not happened. So watch out, friends. I think we're going to have a Bitcoin move one day that just blows minds. And I think we already blew a lot of minds, considering that within 24 hours, we went from $80,000 to $89,000 last week. That was ridiculous. I mean, we could, as Bitcoin's getting bought back up, let's see. We're gonna go back to the daily chart for a second. And if you guys have chart requests, throw them over here as Bitcoin is driving me absolutely cuckoo. Take a look at what's going on here, because right here, we were at $80,000 right here, and this was November 11th, and we closed that day at 88, and we hit $89,000 that day, almost 90K we hit that day. That was 24 hours of price action. We went up $9,000. I don't think people understand. Price action during the weekend, price prediction. I don't give price predictions, my friend, but I totally believe that we are in a bullish time right now. Oh my gosh, 94,928. Oh. See, the bulls bought that right back up. See, this is what we're talking about. Holy wow. Bitcoin, you can do it. Do it for the live. Do it for the vine. All the things. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. Do it for the live. Elon, bring back Vine. Elon, bring back Vine. Oh boy, I am overwhelmed. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting everything. Oh, darn. I can't believe what I'm looking at. Guys, we were just talking about $60,000 Bitcoin for like 6 months. And now we're talking about $95,000 Bitcoin. I'm gonna freaking cry. Guys, I'm gonna cry. Emotions are gonna like pour out of my face. Like, this is so ridiculous. I can't even function. Look at this. 94.9. The bulls are stepping up. Like, within 3 minutes we came down. Maybe within 3 minutes we could hop back on up. And again, we got to close the next few minutes above this 94,930. We could do it. I fully believe we could. Come on, bulls. Step it up. Reverse the trend. Go bullish. I don't know, friends. Do we wait this out? I feel like I gotta know what's going on. This is so ridiculous. This is majorly insane. Come on, Bitcoin 94.9. You can do it. Go, Bitcoin, go. Close the minute in the green, darn it. Close it in the green. 94.920. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. This is so ridiculous. I can't believe what we're doing. We're such nerds. This is such nerd stuff right here. Oh, let's close the minute right here. 94.930. Come on, Bitcoin. Close this darn minute. Close the minute out right now. Oh my gosh, I feel like time is moving so slow yet so fast. Oh, this is a battle. Is anybody watching this? This is so ridiculous. All right, we're closing in the green, guys. We closed right above that red candle that took us out. We could do it, Bitcoin. We could do it. We're still closing those higher lows. Looking snazzy. 94,936. I think we can do it. I feel like we can do it. I feel like this can happen. I feel like this can happen. Zalayor says, I can hear you and watch the chart in the background. It's awesome. Well, thank you. Thank you for your love. I just really need to see Bitcoin hit $95,000 right now. And I think she's teasing. She's like, oh, nah. Forget this. The tension, better than any Hollywood movie. Yeah, this is definitely driving me crazy. Oh boy. Chasing the charts. Yeah, like storm chasing who? Chart chasing, yeah. We have to keep closing these minutes in the green. Go Bitcoin. Go Bitcoin. And in the red again. This is ridiculous. Bitcoin, you can do it. Don't lose your zest. Don't lose your zest. Oh boy. We're going to look at the 15-minute. 15 minutes still looks good. I feel like I should look at the 15-minute instead of the minute chart. I feel like the minute chart's just too stressful. I feel like it's just too stressful. Bitcoin, you can do it. You can do it. The green dot printed. VWAP is now bullish here. Yeah, I have faith in it. I have faith in Bitcoin. She just needs to stop going in the red. Go green. Five-minute time frame you want me to look at? Sure. Let's look at 5 minutes. All right, yeah, see that was a crazy wick low. Yeah, that was that 94.6 that we watched on the minute chart. Boy, oh boy. Yeah, and this might be, maybe this is the reversal on the 5-minute chart. I don't know. I don't know if we wait this out. I don't know if we stay. Do we wait? I don't know. We're past the hour. We're going crazy out over here. We're going bananas. We can look at render in the meantime because that's what our friend has requested. We're going to look at render. I'm going to have Bitcoin in the corner of my eye, though. All right, so let's look at render. Ooh. Hold on, I got to zoom out. I got to zoom out because of all the craziness. All right, hold on. Render. Yeah, okay, got it. So render looking good. $7.94 right now. 0.75% in the green. The selling pressure is really here at this $8 level, $8.03 just about. We've seen it in the past. We've seen it back here in February. We saw it over here in June and July. And we pulled back and created some sort of support here at $5.25, which is your bearish scenario. And also your bearish scenario is a 200-day SMA at $6.71. But yeah, we want to close the day at this $8 level. Bullish level to watch is $9.99 or $10, which is majorly psychological. And where we've seen some nice support in the past. And I believe this is the render high of $13.80. I believe that this is the high for it. Very interesting, my friends. Very interesting. Bitcoin, what are you doing? No more ramen. I'm strictly steak and lobster. Stu, that's the way, man. That's the way. Cheryl says, loving this. Shout out to Cheryl. Marvey's in the chat. Crypto for Seniors is here. Welcome. All set's chilling. More monkey business. I was in the show when you got that birthday Bitcoin bar and you went to, oh, yeah. No, that was insane. That was insane for sure. Bobby F is chilling. I did get render for Randy A. Are there any other chart requests we have? Any other chart requests? Let's see. I don't know. I feel like I just got lost in the Bitcoin sauce. Is the potato coin real? I know the sound is.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse.
Shout out to the potatoes. I don't know what's going on with Bitcoin. Do we have chart requests? Can someone give me a request to get me away from this madness? Because I just keep looking at Bitcoin. This is just so insane. Is there any also new people in the chat? Because if you're new to the chat and you're here for the first time, then I need to give you love. Okay? I need to give you love. GRT I will do. GRT I will do. Here you go. GRT. 23 cents, 0.09% in the green. Again, you want to hold this 19 cents, which is where the 200-day SMA is. We're at 23, like I said. Bullish level to watch is 34 cents. Your bearish level to watch is falling below this 200-day SMA. And 20 cents in going for this 7 cents, which is a little bit scary. But those are just the levels to watch. Never financial advice. Never financial advice ever. I don't predict nothing. I don't predict nothing. I don't have a crystal ball. I heard Digi, though. Digi, do you still have the crystal ball? Let's see. Shout out to Saul in the chat. I know he's sad about TikTok. I'm sorry about that. My Wi-Fi is a little bit poop. Adam says, I'm new and need love. Shout out to Adam. Everyone say hi to Adam. Birkin and bag meme coin on Solana. Honestly, Birkins are so nice. I like Birkins. I've been watching, like... I was just a little bit cuckoo, man, because I watch, like, all these videos online of, like, all these successful people and what they purchase and things. And, like, Birkins and Kellys are really nice. And I see, like, oh, like, there's always, like, the price tag is really high on them. That's the only thing. But they are nice purses. They are really nice purses. We have Marf, said first timer at work, so don't read. So read chat, won't read chat or chat much, they said. Well, hello, Marf. Welcome, Marf. Welcome. Yay, Marf on X. Crypto Kid said, hi, miss, when Lambo? I don't know. Are Lambos the move? Or is it going to be a Honda Accord? Just kidding. Honda Accords are very nice. I like Honda Accords. I like the Civics. I also like Broncos, which are pretty nice, pretty spicy. There's a few cars that I like. I hope I could get a car. Right, DJ Dabs? Good morning. Good morning. Guys, if I got a car down the line, which car should I buy? Or not buy, maybe lease. Because I don't know if I should, like, want to buy a car. Because, you know, it's not something that, you know, I think is going to be, like, the most safe investment, per se. Because it's a depreciative asset. Like, with all that money I could put into a car, I'd rather have in Bitcoin. But, yeah, do you guys also put that in the chat, your opinions? Is leasing a car better? Or is buying a car better? I don't know if I want to buy a car. I don't know. A Cybertruck. I don't know about a Cybertruck. I feel like a Cybertruck is very intimidating to me because it's a huge car. Like, that thing is, like, humongous. You know what I mean? Chris B, missteencrypto, you got the zest. Thank you, Chris. Shout out to Chris. He sent me a song yesterday that was really cute. Adam said, feed the birds and walk the dog. Yeah. Gary got a Volvo. All-wheel drive, sweet. That sounds nice. A Lambo. Yeah, I would lease a car. I don't know if I would want... Yeah, I don't know if I would want that. Oh, McLaren. Yeah, a McLaren is super nice. Like, a McLaren is... Woohoo! I would look good in a Beamer. Beamers are kind of nice. A Tesla. The thing is, I don't have a place to charge a Tesla. You know what I mean? And I know there's charging stations, but, like, darn, I don't know if I want to, like, go to a charging station. I feel like if I just had a Tesla, you know, if someone was like, oh, here's a Tesla, I mean, of course I would take it. But I don't know. The thing is, it's just, like, I don't think the accessibility, especially in my area, is that great for charging. Let's see. And we'll get a bicycle. Where I'm at, you know, biking isn't really going to get me much. More monkey business? No, you're crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like, you know, one day I do want to get a little vehicle. Like a McLaren's very nice. But that's high class. We could look at XLM. Did I do that yet? I don't even know. I don't think so. XLM. Take a gander at the stellar. All right, XLM is 26 cents right now. 26 cents. We do have the selling pressure that is here at 25.5. Seems like we're surpassing that right now. Your bullish scenario is 35.5 cents all the way up here, my friends. Bearish scenario is down here, over here at 16 cents. We're up 12.5% for Stellars. A real truck, like an F-150, I say a pickup truck, Darn, those things are intimidating too. I'd be so scared to drive one of those. Thing is, like, I need like a little car. I need like a car that's like a decent size, maybe like a mid-size item. I just feel like a truck would just scare the bejesus out of me. I don't know. I feel like it's just too big. It's too scary. Where's Bitcoin? 94,860. Oh. Bitcoin what? Bitcoin who? Oh, I'm overwhelmed. Bitcoin is driving me crazy, bro. Like, this is ridiculous. We have a bunch of Christmas tree action going on. Right, green, dot. On Market Cipher. Where is this craziness? I don't know. Range Rover. Oh my gosh, I would love to have a Range Rover. Range Rover is pretty nice. Kia Sportage Hybrid, maybe an Audi R8. An Audi R8, let's Google that. That sounds nice. Oh, yeah. Ooh, okay. I see, Saul, what you're talking about over here. This is a beautiful car. This is a beautiful car. Wow, look at this. Look at this vehicle. Ooh, especially in red. Ooh. Spice. A Honda CR-V is nice. I love Hondas. I don't know. I'm a Honda fan. Oh boy. 94,887. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Get to 94.9 and get to 95K. This is ridiculous. Honda Pilot. Yeah. Let's see. Bliss, nice to see you. Alfa Romeo. Oh my gosh. Alpha is really nice too. I'll be safe in a big truck. I don't know. I'd be horrified to drive a huge truck like that. I don't know. I kind of like, you know, mid-size. Little mid-size vehicle. I'm a little scared. Like that Audi, that's a nice vehicle. I like that. Look at that with the roof down. Oh boy. Oh boy. Get a vehicle that could get stuff done. Yeah, that's the goal. I just like want to get from point A to point B. That's really the goal for a car. A semi-truck. No, I'd be so scared. Get a motorcycle. Honestly, I've always wanted a motorcycle. Big truck and the cowboy hat. I know. Wouldn't that be a vibe? I feel like that really would be a vibe. I mean, I would be a fan. I would be a fan. I don't know what to do with Bitcoin right now. It's like I want to wait it out. I want to wait it out here, but there's so many things that are going on in life today that I got to take care of. Holy wow, Bitcoin, what are you doing? I don't know. I feel like I got to grab a chair out here. Do I grab a chair? Do I grab a chair and camp out? Get the hip hop hamster car, the Kia Soul. Oh, that is so funny. I know those commercials. That is so funny. A Maybach is so spicy. That is so spicy. Yeah, I just want like a basic car. You know what I mean? I'm not asking for much. You know, I'm not asking for the Red Bull F1 car, dude. I would love to get I would love to drive on a racetrack and go off. That would be like amazing to me if I could get on a racetrack. All right, 94.9, my friends, 94.9. Oh boy, let's go Bitcoin. Oh, guys, 922. Guys, we might be making moves. 940. Bitcoin go. Oh boy, guys, it might be happening. But of course we're watching. I feel like we're jinxing it by watching it. Is that true? Let's look at the 15-minute. 15-minute is red. Oh boy. I don't know. Things aren't looking too hot on the 15. Things aren't looking too hot. That's a 10. Oh, that's the 10-minute, not the 15-minute. 15-minute has a red dot, so yeah, this still isn't looking too hot. But maybe it's going to turn around right now. I feel like it could really turn around. 9:15, 9:20, 9:47. Come on, Bitcoin, go. Go, Bitcoin, go. Ah, darn, man. We just can't hold this 94.9. Like, what's the problem? These bears are getting in our way. Just let us hit $95,000. Robert's here. Wifey Wick, good morning. Good morning. They are bullish wicks. Yes, they are. Yes, that is true. VR Ray is here. Nice to see you. I don't know, my friends. This is a little challenging. I feel like if I hop off the stream, then it's just gonna hit 95K and I'm not gonna be here. That's gonna make me really sad. Darn it. I don't know. Play you on the news yesterday and it'll pump. I don't have the clip right now. I don't have the clip. I need the clip. It would be nice. Yeah, I mean, maybe I could find out about that. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know about the clip. I really want to get it, but I don't have it. Yeah, I'm going to go get an update on that clip. I'm trying to get it, my friends. I'm trying to get the clip. It was an actual really good clip yesterday from Newsmax. It was a good hit yesterday. Freaking Hawk killed it. Hawk is great. Shout out to Hawk Crypto Mining. He's so awesome. I have such a love for that dude. 94.9 is still a thing. We just need to get past it. We need the clip. I know. We got to see it through. I know. It's just Bitcoin's so unpredictable. And the red dot on the 15-minute doesn't make me happy. Like, I don't know. We need a green dot. Seems like the VWAP is turning out. Green dot on the minute. Go, Bitcoin, go. Go. Go, Bitcoin. You can do it. 920. Let's go. 935. Bitcoin 940. Oh, boy. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Let's hit that 950. 988. Oh. Guys, we were literally within $12 away from new high. Oh. I can't contain myself. 989. Come on, Bitcoin, one more push. You got it. One more push, go. Go, Bitcoin, hit it. Hit the 95,000. Oh, boy. That didn't mean go to Litecoin. That did not mean go to Litecoin. Okay, hold on. Come on, Bitcoin, 960, 940. Bitcoin, go, you can do it. You can do it. We were so close yet so far. No. Come on, Bitcoin. One nice little pump. You can hit $95,000 on stream. Go. 985. Go, Bitcoin, go. You can do it. This is crazy. Digi said, great job on Newsmax. Thank you, fam. Appreciate you. Thank you. Did you watch the live, Digi? Did you catch the live? I'm pretty sure you did if you saw it, because I didn't post the clip, right? 10 minutes to midnight? Come on, Bitcoin. Guys, put Bitcoin emojis in the chat. I need Bitcoin emojis. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. JC is all up in a bunch over there. All up in a bunch. Yeah, I don't know, man. Bitcoin's testing my patience. Testing the patience indeed. Oh, boy. I mean, this just needs to get bought back up. This is really what the issue is, my friends. Hold on. I'm looking at different applications right now. Let's see what's going on. I have this chart going. I'm going to look at some other ones. Let's see. Bitcoin is so wild. Why is Bitcoin messing with me? Why is Bitcoin playing games? MetaMask, nice to see you, my friend. Welcome to the chat, MetaMask. Smash these likes, subscribe, share it out. Let's go. Bitcoin needs to pimp. Bitcoin can do it. Bitcoin can do it. Bitcoin can do it. Let's see. 94.8. Did we watch? I have a new clip that we could play about Bitcoin options, the ETF options. Seems like, yeah, we are heading down a little bit. The Newsmax peeps are really are likely buying now. They've been so intrigued when you guys are on. I sure hope so, man. Like, that's why we go on that show and why we go on mainstream media is to help other people realize like what's going on in this space. Let's see. I see some exchanges are seeing 95K, but not this one, and I think this is what counts. Yeah, this is not ideal. No. Okay. Seems like we're dumping a little bit, my friends. We just dumped like $500. Play the clip. I don't have the clip. If anyone has like Newsmax on their DVR or whatever and can record it and send it to me, I'll play it here. But I don't have the official clip yet, so I can't post it. Does the dress have pockets? The dress actually does have pockets. This does have pockets. Wee. Pockets, pockets, pockets. All the pockets. Shout out to the dress for the pockets. I love pockets. Yeah. I don't see 95,000 here. We did try. We were doing our best. We're doing our best. But yeah, I think I don't know. I think do we wait? Do we not? I just don't know what to do. Like we're absolutely dumping right now. Let's see. I don't know. Seems like the bulls are trying to buy this back up. We just need like this candle to go whoppa and pass to 95K. See, look, the bulls are here. You could see that, but it's just not giving top-notch test right now. See the 15-minute dumping. Yeah, see, it's getting bought back up pretty quick, though, I must say. 5-minute chart, not looking too good. Hello, Crypto Skystar. Thank you very much for subscribing. We love pockets. I do love pockets. True says, Randy going on these news outlets is absolutely necessary. Aww. Thank you. I appreciate that. I do try my best. I do try my best to educate the mainstream. That's what the goal is. By the minute, M2 says, yeah, I mean, listen, if you're trading right now, darn, I would be stressed. Bobby said last chance to buy under 100K. Yeah, it seems as though that we might be headed there soon. It's just very hard to watch this minute chart. Yeah, look at this. Look at what's going on. This is getting crazy. This is getting crazy. I do believe that we will hit 95K. I'm hoping that we do. But it's just like, is it right now? I don't know. We also surpassed our goal by 7 subscribers. Looking good, friends. Looking good. DJI Drone Guy, nice to see you. Welcome. Welcome. Let's see. I do have a video I can play. Give me a second. X.com. Saylor posted this clip.
An all-time high, getting closer now to the $94,000 level, and this happening as ETF options going live, giving investors a new way to hedge their exposure. Kenzie Segalis is here, joins us with more this morning. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Andrew.
So what's going on?
Is what U.S. crypto investors have been waiting for. On Tuesday, the Nasdaq listed options on BlackRock's $44 billion spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, day one of trading showed that more than 80% of options volume were call orders to buy Bitcoin, meaning that investors are betting that the token is poised for even more gains. And this is just the first of the U.S.-based asset issuers to offer options. The other 10 providers will soon follow suit, with several more slated to list on the New York Stock Exchange later today. Now, this is really a significant significant moment for Bitcoin adoption because rather than just buying and holding the asset, this next stage is all about creating a new margin framework for Bitcoin so that you can amplify your returns. Being able to hedge positions and make leveraged bets is a big draw both to retail and to institutions. And even though we've seen a lot of trading volume on the CME derivatives exchange, getting options tied to these spot crypto products on the NASDAQ and NYSE is a big unlock for traders because ultimately, Andrew, a more robust onshore derivatives market is how you attract fresh investment, which is a tailwind for the price of Bitcoin.
It really boggles the mind what I was just thinking about. You could write calls. You could write calls. You could buy puts to protect your downside. You could sell puts to acquire Bitcoin at a lower price than where it is. You can do spreads. You can do straddles. The volatility is so high, the option premiums must be exorbitant. So you could sell options.
But so the question is, does the volatility come down materially?
And that's what a lot of analysts say will happen.
And if that happens, but does that then put a cap on it, or does that?
Can it happen? Because that's a tail wagging the dog. Because Bitcoin is in here. Yeah, but by definition, Bitcoin has been volatile. Do you think options really could lessen the volatility of the underlying asset?
I mean, that's what some analysts are saying, especially as you build out a more robust market infrastructure around this, you bring in more institutional money. And what I will say in terms of like building out what you can do with these spot crypto products, you've got Grayscale updating its prospectus just this week to do a covered call ETF for Bitcoin. So you're seeing that those are the products that these issuers are indexing toward rather than having, spot funds around all of these altcoins.
Because you just mentioned 80% of the volume is in calls, so that must mean they're rich premiums in the calls. You could sell those, and if it doesn't hit it, you just keep that premium.
Exactly.
Yeah, and it protects your downside if it goes down a little.
Thank you for coming in.
So there you go. CNBC discussing the options. The options, and again, $2 billion was brought in. Listen, this is mainstream media. Like, we just gotta kind of take what we can get from the positive side of things. And again, I'm very bullish on mainstream
so the price
media
of Bitcoin
covering
near an
Bitcoin because I think it just helps a lot just to see what goes on in their heads and how they feel about certain things. But yeah, this is absolutely interesting, and I'm very bullish on being on mainstream media. So again, if you guys didn't check out Newsmax yesterday, make sure you keep up with my posts so that way you know when I'm going to be on Newsmax. And as we see, Bitcoin is dumping a little bit. I'm sure it's going to bounce back. I'm just really not sure when. So I don't know. I'm just trying my best to hold on here, but we are way over time. Right, Robert? Good morning. Let it ride. Yeah, so listen, man. I'm sure Bitcoin is going to surge once I get off this stream. See, listen, it's already starting to bounce. Let's see what goes on the other time frames. See, she's just volatile right now. Bitcoin doesn't know where she's going. Yeah, see, the 15-minute is not looking too hot. The hourly... Yeah, so we might be pulling back just a little bit. I'm sure once I hop off this stream, Bitcoin's going to start pumping again. But it's all good. You speak for me on TV. Oh, that's very cute, True. Thank you. I appreciate it. But listen, guys, Bitcoin is doing great. It's outperforming so many things. And so I would just remain bullish. I would just remain positive. Keep calm, huddle on, have a bullish and a bearish case scenario. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I apologize. I'm sad that Bitcoin did not hit $95,000 with us on stream, but maybe I can catch it another high with you tomorrow. Have a great day. Of course, Anthony. Thank you. Thank you, everybody that came today. Thank you for supporting. And if you haven't yet, please smash the like, subscribe, share the stream out, friends, so more people know what's going on here. If I get that Newsmax clip, you bet I will post it. So keep an eye out for all of that. Have a beautiful day. Thank you guys so much. So like, subscribe, share. Happy Wednesday. I will see you guys tomorrow. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.